Welcome to Super Simple Sauté. We make super simple things for busy families like us. Today, I'm going to make barbecue ribs in a slow cooker. It's so easy to make. All you need are 3 ingredients: your ribs, barbecue sauce, and salt. So let's start. First, put your ribs in the crock pot. Then add your barbecue sauce in the pot. We like to use the sweet honey sauce, but you can use whatever sauce you like. Put the whole bottle in there. I like to put water in the bottle up to here, then swish it, and then put it in the pot. Then sprinkle it with salt. Then all you do is turn it on low and cook it for 8 hours. All you do is just wait and then you'll have dinner. The ribs are done and it looks so good. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauté. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!